Christopher Paul Mullin, born July 30th, 1963, is an American former professional basketball player, executive, and coach. He is a five-time NBA All-Star and four-time All-NBA team member. He is also two-time Olympic gold medalist and a two-time Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame inductee. In 2010, as a member of the 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team, the Dream Team, and in 2011 for his individual career. Mullin played shooting guard and small forward in the National Basketball Association (NBA) from 1985 to 2001. During his college basketball career for the St. John's Redmen, he was named Big East Player of the Year 3 times and was a member of the 1980 for U.S. men's Olympic basketball team. Mullin was chosen as the 7th pick by the Golden State Warriors in the first round of the 1985 NBA draft. He returned to the Olympics in 1992 as a member of the Dream Team, which was the first American Olympic basketball team to include professional players. He played with the Warriors from 1985 until 1997. Thereafter, Mullin played with the Indiana Pacers from 1997 until the 1999 to 2000 season. He retired after the 2001 season, playing for his original team, the Warriors. He later served as special advisor for the Sacramento Kings and general manager of the Golden State Warriors. Mullin served as the head coach of the Red Storm men's basketball team from 2015 to 2019. Mullin was born in Brooklyn, New York. As a young player in New York, he studied the games of Knicks stars Walt Frazier and Earl Monroe while admiring Larry Bird and wearing number 17 in honor of John Havlicek. As a youth, he regularly traveled to the Bronx and Harlem in predominantly black neighborhoods to play against the best basketball players in New York City. His name began to spread while playing CYO basketball at St. Thomas Aquinas Parish on Flatlands Avenue. He was also a winner of the 1974 Elks Hoops Shoot, which is a national free throw contest for youth. Along with playing CYO basketball at St. Thomas Aquinas Parish, Mullin attended Lou Carnesecca's basketball camp with future Xaverian teammates Roger McCready, Denny Tracy, Jimmy Howard, Gerard Shepard, Mike O'Reilly, Joe Canizo, and Pete Canizo. Mullin began his high school career at Power Memorial Academy, where he was a teammate of Mario Elie. He transferred as a junior to Xaverian High School and led them to a New York Class A state championship in 1981. During the 1990 Summer Olympics, Mullin, who started the games, averaged 12.9 points per game, shot 61.9% from the field and 53.8% from the three-point line. He was a member of the Dream Team, which is widely regarded as one of the greatest sports teams ever. Mullin also won gold medals in the 1990 Tournament of the Americas with the Dream Team, the 1980 Summer Olympics, the 1983 Pan American Games, the 1982 Jones Cup, and the 1980 Seoul Invitational. Personal life. Mullin is a devout Catholic and has stated that he relies upon his faith daily. He and his wife, Elizabeth, live in Flower Hill, New York. They have 4 children. Mullin was very good friends with former teammate, Sudanese NBA player Manat Ball, after Ball was badly injured in a taxi cab incident in 2004. Mullin and the Warriors offered to raise money for Ball's medical bills by organizing a fantasy camp. On November 19, 2004, the Warriors, Mullin, and his former teammates Mitch Richmond and Tim Hardaway participated in the fantasy camp named Run with TNC. In March 2012, PG Andy joined the Golden State Warriors to restore a pair of basketball courts in Mullin's honor. Both courts were named the Chris Mullin Basketball Courts at Arroyo Recreation Center, presented by PG Andy. In July 2014, Mullin was featured at a wheelchair basketball charity and opportunity event hosted in Puerto Rico by Max International. Before the event, he was presented a jersey from Federación de Baloncesto and Silla de Ruedas de Puerto Rico, the local wheelchair basketball team. In this event, Mullin participated in a wheelchair basketball game for the first time with Max International associate Hector Marcano Lopez and the local Puerto Rican wheelchair basketball team. He participated in Max and Mullin Legends Classic exhibition game with 20 local Puerto Rican basketball legends. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.